In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Hubstaff to ClickUp. It's a straightforward process, but there are a few important steps to ensure everything is set up correctly and functions seamlessly. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to log into your Hubstaff account. Once you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. Here, you'll find a section marked Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. It's worth noting that this area allows you to control various aspects of your Hubstaff experience, including team management and integrations, which will be our focus today. Upon opening Settings, you'll see several options appear on the screen. What you need to do next is locate the Integration section. This section will be your gateway to connecting Hubstaff with a range of apps and platforms that could supercharge your productivity. Clicking on Integrations will take you to a new page where you can manage current integrations and explore new ones. On the Integrations page, you might be overwhelmed by the number of apps you can connect with, but don't worry. We'll keep it simple. You need to scroll down this list. Depending on how many integrations you've already linked or are available to you, you may need to scroll quite a bit, so take your time. What we're looking for here is the ClickUp integration option. Once you've scrolled through the list, in the search bar or the appropriate section, you should type in ClickUp. This action will help you locate the ClickUp integration quickly without having to navigate through too many options manually. After typing it in, you will see an option to connect. Click the Connect button next to ClickUp. This action initiates the connection process and essentially triggers Hubstaff to link up with your ClickUp account. Now, with the connection process started, follow the on-screen prompts. These prompts are designed to guide you through the setup process. They will likely ask you to authorize the connection by logging into your ClickUp account and granting the necessary permissions. This step is essential, as it allows Hubstaff to access your ClickUp data and synchronize the two platforms. Make sure you pay attention to any specific permissions being requested and ensure you're comfortable with them before proceeding. Once you've completed these prompts, your Hubstaff should now be connected to ClickUp. Congratulations, that's all there is to it. By integrating these two powerful tools, you'll be able to track time, manage tasks, and optimize productivity more effectively than ever. Remember, if you encounter any issues, it's always a good idea to check the FAQs or support sections of either platform for additional assistance. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. With these steps, you should now have Hubstaff working in harmony with ClickUp, streamlining your workflow and maximizing your project management capabilities. Until next time, keep organized and stay productive.